sorts of different guitars. This one's called a resonator guitar, or sometimes a dobro, and you play it with a slide. But I've got to play lots of different sorts of guitars: wah-wah guitar, electric sitar, mandolin, all sorts of instruments. It's been great.